Hello there. Welcome to Ilum Relix. Lightsabers made for the fans, by the fans. So as you can see here, we got a base of a lightsaber with such intricate detail. With own rAge on it as well. Even the battery over here. And today I'm going to be assisted by Ilum Relix. I'm going to show him the experience. So we've got here a bunch of different parts, different colorways, different and unique designs that you can choose from. This is a rAge Expo exclusive for the entire weekend. You can come to us and build your very own lightsaber. Alright, take it away. Now where do we start? Obviously I'll need to give some credit, so we're going to start from the second aisle. Alright, we go. So these are your switches. So you'll choose a switch design. That'll go on your saber. Line it up nicely. Good. Exactly like that. I'm going to take one of the screws over here. Yeah, that one there. Long ago in a galaxy far, far away, they didn't use Phillips head. Alright. Okay, cool. Now that you got your switch on, you're going to move over to the next section here. Feeling, yes. Feeling this one. Okay, so no Kyber crystal. Before we do that, we need to open up a Kyber crystal to select your Kyber crystal. Okay, I don't know if we're doing Legends or if we're doing Canon, where the color chooses you. Yeah, or I choose the color. This is our Kyber crystal. This is definitely not AAA. Alright. Alright. Getting a nice blend of materials here, I think. Okay, cool. Now we're getting the popo, I think. Yeah, well, we're gonna go for your emitter first. Okay. Then get one of those. Go with this one. Giving us a little Cal Kestis vibe. Yeah. Hit it. Then we're gonna go for your popo. That's it. That's just the one. Here you have constructed your very own lightsaber. Okay, I guess we'll edit that out. So you can check these guys out at what two websites? Ilum Relix. You can search us on Instagram to Ilum Relix official. So not just create your own lightsabers, but also those inspired by the film. So movie replicas. But yeah, you can see the insane detail on it. Right there. Damn. It almost looks like a camera lens. Very close. Very close to a camera lens. Yeah. So I mean, which way would you admit this one? Are we going the original trilogy or are we going sequel over here? But yeah, no, awesome collection, awesome stuff you guys are doing. Hope everyone checks them out.